Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esperanza. I am a full-time content creator going on 6+ years now, and my background is actually in interior design, but on my channel and on all of my social media channels, I basically cover everything in the lifestyle category. So style, home, beauty, travel, and more. So I've been filming this video for a few weeks now. We actually got a new bed frame, which I want to show you guys. I did like a before and after, I think last week, but then I also wanted to share with you guys a PR clothing haul from the Simple Folk. I've been obsessed with the Simple Folk for quite some time now, so I was super excited when the brand reached out to me to pick out a few pieces from their spring collection. So I'll go ahead and share the haul with you guys. I actually filmed a try-on for my TikTok, so I'll probably just insert those clips for the try-on part of this haul. So let's go ahead and get started with the first piece. Okay, so first up is this adorable rose-colored cami top. It's almost like a baby doll top. It's super flowy and it has an elastic band across the shoulders, chest area. So that's really nice for me because I do have a slightly wider shoulder chest area. So an elastic waist like this makes it so much more comfortable, so much more practical. And the shoulder straps are similar, but they are actually adjustable, which is also super nice. So a very cute top for spring and summer. I would definitely wear this over shorts, pants, even leggings. Next up is this beautiful sage green dress. This hits about above the knee, maybe slightly below the knee on me. And it's actually very similar to that top because it has the elastic band across the chest, and then it also has adjustable straps. But it's a really pretty sage green color, super easy to throw on all spring and summer, and it would look so pretty styled with like some gold jewelry, maybe even like some little huarache sandals that I'm actually wearing right now. These are actually from Nislo, which I shared in a PR haul recently. If you guys missed it, I will link it for you guys. But this with like one of those straw hats and like a straw bag or something would be the cutest little summer outfit. Next up is this tank top style dress. It is a floor length dress, super flowy. It actually has little pockets on the side, so that is super convenient. And it's in this burnt orange color that I love. It has a little accent here just at the waistline, which gives it some nice body. So a super comfortable dress for spring and summer, and I absolutely love the colors of all of the items I picked out from them. Earth tones, my favorite. And all of those pieces were in the size extra small, just in case you guys need a reference. If you plan on purchasing some items from the Simple Folk, I know that there are tons of people who are also fans of this brand as well. Actually, as soon as they announced that their spring summer collection was live, a ton of the items I wanted sold like that. They were like sold out immediately. So I know they are very popular, and I just want to say another big thank you to the Simple Folk for sending me those pieces. I cannot wait to wear them all spring and summer. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the bedroom bed frame footage. So we are about to be putting together our new bed and mattress. So I wanted to show you guys what our current bed situation looks like right now. So we have just a mattress and a bed frame on the floor. So as you guys can see, it's kind of low next to those tables, which I brought over with us from our Pittsburgh apartment. And eventually I'm hoping to get nightstands, but for now those are kind of acting as our nightstands. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse of what the bedroom looks like right now, the bed situation looks like right now, before I switch out with the new bed. So it is now actually a few days later. We did not get around to setting up our bed until yesterday. I actually just got done shooting a campaign. Indio was in my little campaign video as well. but I wanted to quickly show you guys the bed. It looks so good and our new mattress is so comfy. So I have been sleeping like a dream these past couple of nights. So there's Indio. As you guys can see, we now have a bed frame. You can kind of see it poking out underneath our comforter. It's this kind of like orange tone wood, very similar to the pieces of furniture that I already have here, so I think that that ties in super well. It's very simple, very transitional, and the bed is so much higher off the ground than it was before, and even higher off the ground than the bed frame that we had in Pittsburgh. So I actually do really like that because it's super comfy and easy to get in and out of bed, especially a lot easier than our mattress and frame on the floor. So much more comfy, and I think it looks really good in our bedroom. I'll try to show you guys another angle. So you can kind of see the wood there poking out under the frame, under the comforter. So it's just like a very simple design. These are from the mattress, and the frame are both from, Indio thanks for playing a game, from Zinus, Z-I-N-U-S, and I definitely would have to give it a thumbs up. It did take us several times to get it set up because they were kind of like mislabeled, the pieces, but once we did, it was super easy, and it seems to be really sturdy, not squeaky or anything like that. So definitely a thumbs up from me. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you guys aren't subscribed already, please be sure to subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to check me out on my socials at The Urban Darling and my blog with urbandarling.com for more lifestyle content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!